To measure the roof pitch in PlansXpress is a very simple and straightforward process. First of all, I will grab a horizontal construction line like so. I will then zoom in and make certain I hit the angular point on the edge of the roof there. So we get that selected like so. I then grab an angular construction line and I will then select the top of the roof. So I zoom out a little bit using the mouse wheel like so. I select the top point and the bottom point here. And so now I have my horizontal and angular construction lines in place. I then grab my angular dimension tool like so. I select the horizontal construction line and then I select the point where the lines intersect on the roof there, like so. And then if I zoom out a little bit, I can then ensure by selecting the relevant construction line, I can then place in the pitch, the angle of the roof there. And that is how one places the angle, the pitch of the roof onto a PlansXpress drawing. Thanks for watching.